Hi, this is Bob Rakes with the 8K Association, and I'm at IBC 2025. I've just been talking to Red Digital Cinema about their, let's get this right, XE 8K VV new camera. It starts shipping in October, and it takes their existing 8K global shutter sensor and puts it with slightly downgraded electronics so that it reads out at 8K 60 rather than 8K 120 in their more expensive cameras. 4K also drops down from 240 to 120. That means that they can bring the cost down, so they're selling this for around $15,000. Or if you have their Essentials kit, which has, for example, a PL mount converter, it's now Z-mount, of course, for their Nikon connection, it's less than $20,000 all in. So new camera then from Red Digital Cinema. Bob Rakes for the 8K Association at IBC 2025.